Hi there, this is Farhan. Welcome to the Designer's Log. Today I will show you an easy way to create saw effects in After Effects. So without any further ado, let's get started. So now here we are in After Effects. First, click Composition and then New Composition. I will name this Snow. 1920 by 1080 is okay, but you can change it if you wish to. Hit OK. Now let's import an image. Go to File and Import and then File again. Or you can just drag to bring a photo. Now drag it here. This image is larger than 1080p, but for now just turn off the layer visibility. Now we need to create a solid. Go to Layers, New, and Solid. I will name this Particle. Let's just leave these settings. Now look for CC Particle World and apply this to the particle layer. You can also find these effects in Effects, Simulation, and CC Particle World. In Effects Control, we can tune these settings. Currently, it looks like this, and this is not what we're looking for. In Grids and Guides, we don't really need to do anything here. Now, if I increase the birth rate, we can see more of this. I will set it to something like 2. Longevity controls how long each particle lasts. Let's set it to 2. In Producer, we need to change the X, Y, and Z axis. Currently, the particles are in the middle, but we want it to fall from the top. Change the X and Y axis. Z-axis represents the depth. If I change it, then it looks like the snow is coming toward the monitor. In physics, change the animation to direction axis. It looks like the wind is coming from the left to right. If I increase the velocity, the wind is now more powerful. And if I set it to 0, it becomes perfectly vertical. But we don't want it. I will set it to something 0.12. It bends a little from left to right. Now go to gravity vector and you can just play with this. Now in particle type, you will find a lot of options here, and it's really fun to play with this. But in this case, we'll be using faded sphere. The birth size shows the size of a particle when it's born, and the death size shows the size of a particle when it lives. We can change it according to our taste. If variation is 0, that means all particles have same sizes. But I want full variation. Opacity means transparency. I will set it to around 70. Now change the birth and death color. We can pick white, but I will give the white a little blue. Now if I play it, you can see the snow is falling too fast. So change the gravity. I will set it to 0.03. Now let's play it. Turn on the layer visibility. Now go to Scale and add a keyframe at the beginning of our comp. Go to the last frame and scale it down. You can see another keyframe is added there. Hit spacebar to play. To add motion blur, just click this icon. It's good, but the problem is there is a gap in the left side. We need to change the x-axis. Now it looks better. So this is how to create snow effect in After Effects. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, then please like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.